Today I'm sharing a straightforward trading strategy that requires just 2 free TradingView indicators. If you want to learn an effective approach to trading pullbacks and capturing major trends, pay close attention to every detail I'm about to share. The first indicator is one of my favorites when it comes to trend trading, as it gives a very clean view, and most importantly, it draws these support and resistance lines based on the depth of a pullback. The name of this indicator is SwingArm ATR Trend Indicator by VSNFND. I'm not going to get deep into details as we have a dedicated video on this channel, and I'll link it down for you if you're interested. But let me briefly go through this indicator's features so we're on the same page. The SwingArm ATR, or Black Flag FTS, as it appears on the screen when added to your TradingView chart, is a trend-following indicator that uses a modified trailing stop system combined with retracement levels. The indicator calculates a trailing stop using either a modified or unmodified true range calculation, selectable by the user, along with ATR values, with defaults of 28 periods and 5 times multiplier respectively. I'll show you some workable settings options later in the video. The system determines trend direction based on price action relative to the trailing stop line. When price is above the trailing stop, it's considered an uptrend, shown in green, and when below, it's a downtrend, shown in red. The indicator also tracks price extremes during trends. But here's where we sometimes can have problems with these triangle alerts, as they can produce some false signals. I prefer a different way of entering trades, and it gives us another type of confluence that's based on the moving average. In our previous video about 5 TradingView ribbons, I mentioned this indicator and I pointed out that it's rather a complete trading system, but today we only need a small part from it. The indicator is called the Pullback Trading Tool ATR 1.0 by Just Uncle L. Let me explain. It has a very unique grab candle 6-tone coloring feature that can be adjusted based on the signal moving average, which you can even set to a different type. We'll be okay with a traditional EMA though. Important? First, make sure to disable all additional features to keep your chart clean. Turn off the moving averages, ribbon fills, and pivot points. We only need the candlestick colors for this strategy. Change the signal line period to 20 in the indicator settings. These candles are colored based on the trend direction. Shades of green, bullish, shades of red, bearish. Now this blue candle identifies the price breakdown below the set period EMA, and this color identifies a break above the set period EMA. And we're going to use these 2 breakout candles to our advantage. If you know any other indicators that work same or similar to this one, please let me know in the comments section. When it comes to the settings, you can try these ones as an option. This is a 1-hour BTC USD chart as usual, and here they work pretty well. There are a couple ways you can go about it. First, to enter a long position, you wait for the price to cross the Black Flag FTS indicator up and the pullback. You enter after this cyan color candle closes above this level, placing a stop loss where this trailing stop level is, and then you can ride this trend as long as the Black Flag indicator is bullish, and of course if that approach suits your trading style. The second way is to catch these swings and re-enter on pullbacks with fixed risk-reward ratio targets. Once you exited the trade, you'll then have to wait for the price to pull back and enter when your candle appears. For shorts, everything's basically the same. The only difference is that your entry candle is colored in blue. So breakdown, pullback, entry. Let me know what you think of this strategy, and while you're here, I recommend watching our previous video, where we reviewed our top 5 picks MA ribbons.